Ministry of Education, Technological and Vocational Training wishes to inform parents and children who may be having challenges connecting to Google G Suite or experiencing financial difficulties in securing a device to kindly contact the Google G Suite Help Desk at 535-0798 between the hours of 8:30 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. weekdays, or email info@mes.gov.bb. For further information, please log on to www.mes.gov.bb. The Ministry wishes to thank parents, teachers, principals, non-teaching staff and all children for their patience and continued support as they transition to online learning.